All my dear students, I shall discuss about in unit and dimension. We saw that unit and dimension. Force equal to force equal to mass into acceleration. Unit of force unit of force is equal to unit of mass multiply unit of acceleration unit of acceleration is equal to unit of force kg multiply unit of acceleration meter per second square is equal to kg meter per second square is equal to 1 newton 1 newton. acceleration equal to acceleration equal to velocity upon time velocity upon time. Unit of acceleration unit of acceleration is equal to unit of velocity upon unit of time. Unit of velocity, that means meter per second. Unit of time, that means second, is equal to meter per second square. Velocity equal to distance upon time. Unit of velocity is equal to unit of distance upon unit of time. Unit of distance, that means meter. Unit of time, that means second. Meter per second. Torque. Torque equal to torque equal to force into distance. Unit of torque unit of torque is equal to unit of force multiply unit of time. unit of force 1 Newton multiply unit of time 1 second 1 Newton, unit of distance unit of time multiply unit of distance is equal to unit of force 1 meter, unit of distance 1 meter, that means 1 Newton meter. Similarly, similarly dimension of velocity is equal to dimension of velocity is equal to dimension of distance upon dimension of time is equal to dimension of distance capital M upon dimension of time capital T. Dimension of distance, that means L. Dimension of velocity equal to dimension of distance upon dimension of time. Dimension of distance, that means L. Dimension of time, that means T, is equal to LT inverse. LT inverse. And also dimension of acceleration is equal to dimension of acceleration equal to dimension of velocity upon dimension of velocity upon dimension of time is equal to dimension of velocity LT inverse upon dimension of t, that means t, is equal to LT inverse 2. LT inverse 2. Dimension of force is equal to dimension of mass multiply dimension of acceleration is equal to MLT inverse 2. Dimension of torque is equal to dimension of torque is equal to dimension of force multiply dimension of distance dimension of distance is equal to dimension of force MLT inverse 2 into dimension of distance, that means L, is equal to ml square t to the power minus 2. Dimension of torque equal to ml square t to the power minus 2. That's all. Thank you very much. SI unit. SI SI unit of force, SI unit of acceleration, SI unit of velocity, SI unit of torque, SI unit of force equal to SI unit of mass, SI unit of mass multiply SI unit of acceleration. SI unit of acceleration is equal to SI unit of velocity upon SI unit of time. SI unit of velocity equal to SI unit of distance upon SI unit of time, meter per second. SI unit of torque equal to SI unit of force multiply SI unit of distance. 1 Newton multiply 1 meter equal to 1 Newton meter. That's all. Thank you very much.